Welcome back to The Construction Veteran. I'm Scott Friend, and this is episode 3 of our 8-part series about conquering construction challenges. If you missed the first 2 videos, go back and check those out first. Today we're going to be talking about overcoming technical constraints in the industry. We're going to explore the technical constraints that can arise during construction projects and discover some creative approaches for overcoming them. From site limitations and structural complexities to regulatory requirements, these challenges can test the ingenuity and expertise of all construction professionals. But with innovative problem solving, advanced technologies, and collaboration with experts, these challenges can be successfully navigated to deliver outstanding outcomes. Some technical constraints are pretty often found in the industry, but with careful planning, we can easily overcome these. There might be some structural constraints, some site logistics like we talked about last time, or sometimes, depending on where you're building, some regulatory requirements that we maybe not understand yet, or we have to overcome.
This episode is brought to you by Ariel Resupply Coffee. Ariel Resupply delivers bold flavor with every sip. Their beans are expertly roasted for peak freshness and a smooth, invigorating taste. Elevate your coffee game by using code ConstructionVet10 at checkout to receive 10% off every order. Stay caffeinated with Ariel Resupply Coffee.
So let's talk about design intent versus some practical outcomes. So sometimes, and I love the design teams, but sometimes what they're putting together might not actually work considering the regulatory requirements that we have, or maybe there's an existing structure that is shaped a little differently than we thought. The collaboration, though, is key on this. So we make sure we communicate with the design team what the challenges are, and we collaboratively come up with a solution. Sometimes buildings will have some irregular geometrics that we have to work through. So we can use technology to figure out how can we make this design fit in the space as it stands today. So what do? We run different scenarios. We figure it out together with that relationship that we already have with the design team and the customer to figure out what's going to be the best outcome with the challenges that we're facing. Compliance with regulatory requirements is another critical aspect of overcoming technical constraints in construction. Our teams collaborate closely with regulatory experts to navigate complex building codes, zoning regulations, and permitting processes.
This episode is brought to you by Memorial Ranch, a place for our veterans and first responders to find rest and relaxation while they prepare for their next mission, life.
Ensuring that projects meet legal and safety standards. Safety's huge. At the end of the day, when we're calling the inspectors in to please walk our building, we want to make sure we get the green tag to pass that inspection. First and foremost, they're looking at safety. Now it sounds bad, they could kind of care less sometimes how it looks on the outside. They want to make sure that the public is safe. So how do we figure all this out? Experience and expertise. Easy. So we go to the people that have been in this industry longer than we have, or maybe we've found some better techniques over the years and we use those. So you want to rely on not only your design team, but your trade leaders as well. People that have been doing this for decades to figure out, hey, have you run into this scenario before? What'd you do last time? In conclusion, technical constraints are a natural part of the construction process. But with creative problem solving, advanced technologies, and collaboration with the experts, these challenges can be successfully overcome. By embracing innovation and expertise, we can ensure the successful completion of projects and deliver outstanding outcomes for our clients. Thanks again for you guys watching the video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe.